Welcome back to Old Studio Car, where timeless machines get a fresh voice. Today we are diving into one of the most desirable classics ever created, the 1960 Aston Martin DB4 GT Zagato, often discussed alongside the great Italian design houses of its era, and still spoken of as rolling automotive art more than 60 years later. This car was born at a time when racing passion and elegance were inseparable, and even today it feels shockingly alive. From the outside, the DB4 GT Zagato remains one of the purest shapes Aston Martin ever wore. The exterior is all about lightness, tension, and purpose. Compared to the standard DB4, the GT Zagato looks tighter and more aggressive, with thinner aluminum body panels, smoother curves, and a noticeably lower stance. The long hood flows effortlessly into a compact cabin and a short, sculpted rear, giving the car a sense of motion even when standing still. In recent restorations and modern concours updates, owners often preserve the original silhouette while refining panel fit, paint depth, and chrome detailing to levels that were impossible in 1960. Updated finishes bring out the subtleties in the curves, especially around the front fenders and the iconic double bubble roof that defines the Zagato identity. Modern updates usually stop short of altering the soul of the car. LED lighting is rarely used, but restored original lamps shine brighter thanks to improved internals. Wheels remain classic wire spoke designs, though modern restorations often use stronger materials for safety. The grille, slim bumpers, and minimal trim highlight how race-focused this car always was. There is nothing excessive here, just pure design driven by speed and weight reduction. Even today, the DB4 GT Zagato looks exotic, rare, and unapologetically special. Under the hood sits a 3.7-liter inline-six engine that defined Aston Martin's golden era. In GT Zagato specification, this engine produced around 314 horsepower, an impressive figure for the early 1960s. With triple Weber carburetors and extensive tuning, the engine delivers power in a raw, mechanical way that modern cars simply cannot replicate. Throttle response feels immediate, and the sound is deep, metallic, and emotional, rising into a fierce howl as revs climb. Recent mechanical updates during restorations often focus on improving reliability while keeping the original character intact, using better seals, improved cooling components, and modern machining tolerances. Performance is where this classic truly shocked the world. The DB4 GT Zagato could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 6.1 seconds, a staggering number for its time. Even today, that figure commands respect considering the car's age and mechanical simplicity. The lightweight body and balanced chassis allow it to feel agile and responsive, especially on open roads. Steering is heavy by modern standards, but full of feedback, making every corner an engaging experience rather than a casual maneuver. Maximum speed is one of the most talked about figures of this legendary Aston. The DB4 GT Zagato was capable of reaching around 153 miles per hour, placing it among the fastest road cars of its era. That top speed was not just a number on paper, it represented Aston Martin's determination to challenge Ferrari and other European rivals on both road and track. Even today, imagining a 1960 car pushing past 150 miles per hour adds to the mystique and respect this model commands. Fuel average, unsurprisingly, is not a strong point, but no one buys this car expecting efficiency. The DB4 GT Zagato averages roughly 10 to 12 miles per gallon under normal driving conditions. With spirited driving, fuel consumption can drop even further. Modern restorations may slightly improve efficiency through precise carburetor tuning, but the focus remains on performance and authenticity rather than saving fuel. This car drinks fuel the way it was meant to, enthusiastically. Now let's talk about the price update, because this is where the DB4 GT Zagato truly enters legendary territory. Originally produced in extremely limited numbers, with only around 19 examples built, rarity alone makes it priceless. In today's collector market, a genuine 1960 Aston Martin DB4 GT Zagato can command prices well into 8 figures. Recent sales and valuations place these cars anywhere between $10 million and $14 million US, depending on condition, originality, racing history, and provenance. Some exceptional examples have even exceeded those numbers in private sales. Each year, the value continues to rise, solidifying its status as one of the most valuable British cars ever made. What makes this car so special is not just speed, price, or design, but the way it represents a moment in automotive history. It is a machine built when engineers and designers chased perfection without compromise, blending British engineering with Italian-inspired craftsmanship. The DB4 GT Zagato is not about screens, driver aids, or comfort features. It is about connection, sound, and the thrill of driving something truly alive. For enthusiasts and collectors alike, the 1960 Aston Martin DB4 GT Zagato remains a dream that defines the very idea of a classic sports car. It stands as a reminder that true greatness never ages. This has been Old Studio Car, bringing you closer to the legends that shaped the road. If you love timeless machines like this one, stay connected, because the past still has plenty of stories to tell.